Hi, it's me from Humble DIY. The reason I'm making this video is to show that I had enough with crazy reckless drivers out there. I have a few near-miss accidents on the road because of this reckless driver who were failing to obey traffic light, doing illegal turns, speeding illegally, failing to give way, and so on. So I've decided to invest in a dashcam for safety, security, and for insurance purpose. I'm not going to review the dashcam that I bought, but I'm showing you how I installed the dashcam by hiding the wiring works. So enjoy the video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, so this is the final result looks like. I have the charging cable running through the ceiling of the car right up to this, and then it goes along this area and go under the seal, the door seal, all the way down here. The cable still running all the way under the carpet, so I hide it under the carpet. It's probably much easier. I tried to take the dashboard off so the cable can run behind the dashboard, but I failed to do that, but that's okay. And instead of using this charging port, I have another charging port inside this compartment, pretty much hidden, unnoticeable pretty much. And yeah, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so I can make more video about DIY. Thank you and see you next time.